Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off the activity indicator in the Snapchat app. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And let us get started with you. So, first of all, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And then in the top left corner, tap on your image to go to your profile. And now in the top right corner, tap on the gear to go to Settings. Next, you'll need to scroll down and find this section here, which is called Privacy Management. And here you'll be able to find this subsection called Activity Indicator. And if you open it up, you'll see that it's automatically enabled. It's always on by default in Snapchat. If you need to deactivate it, just click on this button right here. That way you will deactivate it. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen how you can easily deactivate the activity indicator in Snapchat. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and see you soon.